Hi, I just got the urge to make a dandelion crown, so I thought I would share with you while I'm at it and show you how to do it. There's lots of dandelions right now, and it's great if you've got some that have nice long stems, so don't bother mowing for a while. We definitely have lots of them. It was a warm day yesterday and we got rain a couple of days before that, so we've got nice long stemmed dandelions and I'm sitting in them so I can just pick them. So to get started, this is what you're going to be making, and it starts with just a couple of them, and then from there it's just doing the same thing over and over and over. So you want a few to start with nice long stems. Make a cross with 2 dandelions, and then bring the stem from the bottom around between the 2 flower heads and along the other stem. I hope you could see that. I'll do another one because you're going to do the same thing again. So you make a T, make a cross, bring that around the stem between the 2 flower heads and then along the other stem. I didn't get that one quite close enough, so I'm going to scooch it. And you want to get them nice and close so that you've got that solid crown. So then another one goes right there next to it, around between those last 2 flower heads and along the stem. See, now we're starting to get those together. I'm going to pick a few more. I'd only picked 4 to start with. So I'm going to get some nice long stem dandelions here with pretty round heads. So again, I'm going right next to the one before it. The stem goes between the 2 and along the stems. And you just keep doing that. And each time you do it, it locks it in. I'll try and do one from the other side so you can see what it looks like from my perspective. So I put it in front like that, bring it around between the 2 and along the stem. That might be easier for you to see, huh? I'll do a couple more like that. So there's my cross around all those, around all those stems, and then along the stems here. And you can start seeing why it's important to have the long ones, because if I run out there, there's nothing to wrap around and go around. So I'm going to grab a couple more long ones and show you again from that perspective. So this is like as if you were looking at it around like that. See, there's a nice long stem, so I know I'm not going to run out of stem to wrap around. And I'm just going to keep going until it's the length that I want it to be. And I would keep going for a while if I want to make a crown. And then once you get it to the size that you want, you can tuck those in to the other weaving that you've already done. Or if it's easier to use string or some blades of grass, you could braid grass and add that in there. You could add some leaves, you could add some other flowers. Anything with a long stem works. These are just nice and rubbery and fairly strong. That wasn't a good one because it was already done blooming. And that's how you make a dandelion crown. I can't wait to see yours. Thanks for watching. Bye.